Bienvenido, estudiantes de español idioma. Welcome, students of Spanish idioms. Today, we're touching upon the wild and wacky world of Spanish phrasal verbs. These linguistic gems add depth and nuance to the Spanish language, making conversations more dynamic and engaging. Get ready to expand your vocabulary and enhance your language skills as we count down 16 arbitrarily selected phrasal verbs en español. So, without further ado, let's explore some phrasal verbs in Spanish that you need to know to master this beautiful language. Please like and subscribe, it helps more than you know, and please leave a comment if you have one especially about a phrase we left out, or perhaps which one is your favorite and meant something special to you. Thank you. Número uno. Salir adelante means to get ahead. Inspire progress, resilience, and success in your endeavors. And express overcoming challenges and moving forward in life. Continuemos con la lista, continue with the list. Número dos. Ponerse de acuerdo, to agree or to come to an agreement. Used when reaching a consensus or finding common ground with others in discussions. Vamos al siguiente, let's go to the next one. Número tres. Ponerse al día, to catch up. Use when you want to get up to speed with the latest news, trends, or tasks. Sigamos adelante, let's move forward. Número cuatro. Dar por hecho, to take for granted or to assume. This is essential for discussing assumptions or presumptions in everyday interactions. It highlights the importance of valuing and appreciating what we have. Seguimos avanzando, we keep moving forward. Número cinco. Echar de menos, to miss. Whether it's a person, place, or thing, this expresses that feeling of longing or nostalgia. Seguimos avanzando, we keep moving forward. Continuemos, continue. Número seis. Llevar a cabo, to carry out or to accomplish. Use when discussing the completion of tasks or projects, emphasizing the importance of carrying out tasks or objectives in conversations, and when you want to successfully complete a task, project, or plan. No paramos aquí, we don't stop here. Número siete. Dar cuenta de, to account for in English. This phrasal verb is commonly used in various contexts to explain or justify something. Vamos al siguiente. Continuemos con la lista. Número ocho. Dejar de lado, to set aside. Use when you need to prioritize or temporarily ignore something. Vamos al siguiente, let's move on to the next one. Please like and subscribe, it helps more than you know, and please leave a comment if you have one especially about a phrase we left out, or perhaps which one is your favorite and meant something special to you. Thank you. Número nueve. Hacerse cargo, which means to take charge, or to take responsibility. Número diez. This is perfect for expressing accountability and ownership in various situations, highlighting the significance of taking charge and assuming responsibility in various contexts. Acabar de, meaning to have just done something. This is ideal for indicating recent actions or events in conversations. Número once, this goes to 11. Ponerse de mal humor, which translates to get in a bad mood. Use it to describe moments of irritability or frustration. Número doce. Quedarse con, which translates to keep or to retain. Use when talking about holding on to something or someone. Número trece. Hacerse amigo de, meaning to become friends with. This is perfect for describing the process of forming new friendships. Número catorce. Echar a perder, which translates to ruin, or to spoil. Número quince. Ponerse de pie, meaning to stand up, or to rise. This is essential for describing actions related to standing or getting on your feet. Número 16. Dar en el clavo, which translates to hit the nail on the head. This is perfect for expressing moments of accuracy or precision in discussions. In conclusion, there are our top phrasal verbs en español that will elevate your language skills and enrich your conversations. We hope this list has enriched your Spanish language journey and inspired you to incorporate these expressions into your daily conversations. Practice using these essential expressions to enhance your fluency and connect with native Spanish speakers on a deeper level. Stay tuned for more language tips and tricks. Hasta luego, amigos. Practica hace al maestro. Please like and subscribe, it helps more than you know, and please leave a comment if you have one, especially about a phrase we left out, or perhaps which one is your favorite and meant something special to you. Thank you.